Good morning, everybody, or whatever time of day it is for you. It's early, actually not too early morning at the Goon. It's like 8. It's freaking cold this morning though, like in the 40s. Got a little later start. Just got about 3 to 4 hours to try to see what's going on. I heard it's pretty slow down here. We're gonna see what we can find. It might be a deeper bite. Got the spoon, got the deep crank, got the drop shot, the usual stuff. But I haven't been up here in like what, 5 weeks or something like that. Had a cool little trip down to San Diego. Caught some spotties and some perch and had a good time. Now we're back at the Goon. We're gonna try to find some bass. My buddy Tom goes fishing. What's up, Tom? He's been doing pretty good. But see if we can find a couple good ones. All right, see you guys. Underspin action. Water level's way up. A little deep cranker. Got a little spoon here. Got a crappie. This one. That's a nice girl. Careful, guy. That's a nice crappie, boys. Beauty, eh? Nice one. Alright, dude, get that down there. Later. Alright, I found some crappie. Just a little school down there. So you get big school, typical cold water winter time, moving around. But I dropped that spoon down and not nailed them. But try to catch a couple more. I don't want to keep any, so I'm gonna try to bring them up real slow. That one was fine though, but let's get back down. Little guy. So I'm gonna bring him up nice and slow. Nice and slow. I don't want to keep him. Man, they're all so fat. We're gonna be keeping a crappie. He got gut hooked. Oh, we're keeping him. All right. Gotta keep this guy though. He got hooked. Another beauty. All right, number 2. Gotta keep that guy. He got hooked. So either gonna give him away or we'll cook him up. I'll have a little fish later. But decent school down there, so I'm gonna keep on him. Came off. Gosh darn it. There's a bass. I think. Feels heavier. Oh my god, it's a monster. Nice fat crappie. A little fatty. Ooh, yeah, hit that spoon. Another fat crappie. Dude. Alright, get back down there. He's out. Ooh, that's fun. Crappie number 3. Just getting all schooled up around whatever bait they can find. motor. That's fun. Love catching these crappie here. It's cool. They're not too deep. They're not getting blown up, even though that second one got hooked. So, but number 3. All right, let's try to catch some more. Could be a bass. It's heavy. Nope, it's a freaking slab with shoulders. Slab it. Ooh, nice one. What a beauty. Look at that crappie hitting that spoon. It's fun. Ooh, that's so fun. That early winter crappie fishing, they just get so schooled up, especially when there's lots of big bait balls that are not necessarily super deep, but just moving around in that semi-deep. And you just sometimes can find those little school of crappie just moving around. You just gotta keep following them around. Sometimes they move fast, but they're just kind of cruising here, so I'm able to keep on them. See how long the spoon will get bit for. Sometimes they just stop. They just shut off or whatever, but what is that? I don't even know, 4 or 5. I've lost a few too, but that's it, I guess, for crappie fishing. So let's get back. A little tail spinner here. Something different. Lost my spoon. Try a tail spinner. That's nice. Crappie again. Yeah. Nice little crappie. Nice dude. Ooh, that was a while there since the last catch. I lost that at school for a bit and then found him again. I was on him before though, they wouldn't bite, so I went and fished. You won't even see it, but I went and fished for a while, cranked and bass fished, and then I came back and then I was able to find that school again. So got about 15 more minutes, see if we can catch 1 or 2 more, and then that's it. Another crappie, I guess. Can we get a bass? Oh, this is cool. Another crappie. Slab this. Ooh, it's a big one. That's a big one. That's a big one. That stinger hook. So good. Beautiful crappie. Another beauty. It's real healthy. Nice fat guys. Later. Oh. Last one for the road. Last one for the road. Nice fatty. Ooh, he's fat. Ready for the road. Yeah. Last one. Fat guy. Loving that spoon. Let's go. Yeah, that's a nice one. Last one. Nice handful today. Beautiful. That was fun. You know, obviously came out here trying to find bass, but once I found that school, I was like, oh, the crappie bite might be on, and it was. Obviously they bit real good in the start. They shut off, and then I, you know, kind of bass fished for a little bit, cruised around, and I came back to them, and bam. But luckily I was able to find that school. They're moving around a little bit, not too deep, but picked off a bunch, released most of them. 2 of them didn't make it, so I gave them to an angler on the shore to be enjoyed. Those things are really good. And but that's it. Hadn't been up here in a while, so it was really fun to catch a few fish for sure. And that's that winter crappie bite that we all love too. But all right, well, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Later.